circuits. Now we need two components. First is Arduino Uno. This is fine. And now we will take what? Micro servo. Okay, we will place it over here. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the pin number 13 and connect it to the signal. Okay, we will connect it to the signal. We will change the color for this wire. We will make it, suppose, black. Okay, now we will make the connection for power. For power, we will start from power, go straight, then we will make it to 5 volt. Okay, we will connect it to 5 volt and we will change color for this. Suppose we will make it red. Okay, this is for power and this was for signal. Now we are going to make it for ground. For ground, we will take the connection, we will make the connection. Let's go straight and then again straight, and we are going to connect it to the ground. Okay, we will change the color for this. Suppose we will make it blue. So this is what the basic connection, basic circuit looks like. Now we will see the coding. We will select text, continue. After that, now we are going to write some code. So what we are going to write, firstly what we will do, we will include some libraries. We will include library called servo.h. Okay, so then we will write servo 1 and terminate the line. Then int is equal to 0. Then void setup, keep it as it is. We will backspace this line. We will write here servo 1 dot attach to pin number 13. To which pin number it is attached? It is attached to pin number 13. Now void loop, we will keep it as it is. Now we will make changes in this loop. Okay, so what we will write over here, for, okay, semicolon is less than equal to, okay, then again is equal to, increment it. Now again we will open the bracket, we will write servo 1 dot write POS and terminate the line. Now we will give delay of how much delay we want. How much delay we want? We want delay of 15. Terminate the line. I will remove this all. So now after that, close the bracket. After closing the bracket, give the delay of 1000. Terminate the line. Okay. Then again after that, we have to write one more time for. Now firstly we gave 0 to 180. Now we will give 180 to 0. That is POS is equal to 180 and POS is greater than equal to 0. Okay, and then POS decrease. Now it will decrement. And then again open the curly braces. After opening curly braces, again servo 1 dot write POS, terminate the line, delay of 15. Okay, delay of 15, and again close the bracket, delay of 1000. So this is what the basic code will look like. Let's see. So as we can see, our code is running. After a delay of 1 second, it is rotating clockwise, once clockwise and once anti-clockwise till 180 degree. Again it will rotate like this from here now, and it will rotate one time clockwise and another time anti-clockwise. And if you want to add more delay, if you want to increase the delay or decrease the delay, just decrease the number for this delay or increase the number. Like suppose if we make we'll first stop simulation, and suppose we make it over here 100, here also we make it over 100, sorry 100. So now again we can see it is moving much faster than previous. Okay, so this is what the basic circuit for this servo motor using Arduino Uno.